Hey, what's up guys, Ali here from mysocialyou.com and welcome back to my channel. So how much YouTube paid me for 70,000 views? We're gonna look at that in a second. Before we jump into it, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. All right, now let's jump right into this, and I wanna show you guys stats, the data from behind the scene of my YouTube channel. How much YouTube paid me for 70,000 plus views. And there are a couple of things I want to point out. But first of all, look at this. So here's my channel, Ali Mirza. My channel is very, very small still. And here are a couple of videos. So my most popular videos, so this video has 78,000 views, and then 75,000 views, and 75,000 views. So these are very, very similar, right? So very, very similar. So you would imagine that, and also if you look at the length of 5 minutes, 3.5, 4.5, so that's also very, very similar. So you would think that the money, the income, the ad revenue that I'm gonna make from these videos is gonna be very similar. But let's look at the data. So what I'm gonna do is go to this video, and then this is just an ad playing. We're gonna go inside analytics, and let's see how much money I have made. So on this video, 78,000 views. I have made $214, and it still seems like it's still going pretty strong. So I could be making more money. That's awesome. That's good to know. All right, now let's go back, and I want to look at the second video now. So the first video I'm making about 214. Now the next video, which is right here, so 75,000 views, right? So 3,000 less than the first one. But let's look at the numbers for this video. So we're gonna go to analytics, and then look at this. So this video is making has made so far $317.54, right? So less views, but more money. Why? Why is that? Well, the reason is because these are different topics. These are videos made on different topics. So when people talk about different channels, based on the topics they cover and based on the target audience, their CPM, which is the cost per 1,000 impression, or RPM, is going to be very different. For example, for this video, if I look at the revenue, here's the CPM for this video is $10, and RPM revenue is 4.27. So another channel with the same views could be making a lot more than my channel, or a lot less. Let's go back, because it's not just about, that's the point I want to make in this video, it's not just about more views, it's also about the topics that you're covering and also the audience that you're attracting on your channel. Some topics like financial, investment, business, marketing, they make more money because advertisers are willing to pay more dollars compared to, let's say, prank channels or gaming channels. Let's look at this third video too. So this video, very similar views, 75. Let's go inside that, and we're going to look at behind the scene, the data. Let's see how much I have made from ad revenue. And keep in mind, we're just looking at the ad revenue. So this one has made $277. Let's look at the revenue tab, and RPM is lower than the video that we just saw. So you see how with very similar views, because I'm covering different topics. So this one is about Zoom, this one is about Facebook, the layout, and this one is about Facebook stories, right? So very different RPM and CPM that I'm making. So when you see anyone's YouTube channel with very few views or a lot of views, it doesn't mean one is making more money, ad revenue, than the other one. It also depends, there's so many different factors. It also depends on your target audience, the people you're attracting, the country they're in, and also the topic that you're covering. And as you can see right here, very similar views, but very different ad revenue, right? Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, leave those questions below in the comments, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.